the 12 longest living animals that roam the earth. In the human world, if you make it up to 90 years old or more, you're considered to have remarkable longevity. But in the animal world, 90 years old is still considered a baby's age. Some of these creatures have been around for so long that nowadays they're considered living fossils, since dinosaurs are their direct relatives. YouTube Natural World channel is encouraging you to take a look at some creatures that have been on Earth way longer than the human species, and some of them were born when the age of discovery had not even started. And there's a surprising bonus waiting for you at the end of the video. Tuatara, over 110 years old. Orange roughy, 149 years old. Geoduck, 168 years old. Number 10. A red sea urchin, around 200 years old. Number 9. Bowhead whale, 11 years old. Number 8. Koi fish, 226 years old. Number 7. Lamella tube worms, up to 250 years old. Number 6. Aldabra giant tortoise, 255 years old. Number 5. Freshwater pearl mussels, 280 years old. Number 4. Greenland shark, 400 years old. Number 3. Ocean quahog, 507 years old. Number 2. Antarctic sponge, 1,550 years old. Number 1. Immortal jellyfish. This immortal jellyfish can regenerate in a crisis. Instead of dying like all other species on Earth, the Turatopses transform their adult cells into younger ones and then age backward to polyps. But that doesn't mean they cannot die. The ocean is full of hungry species, so they can be easily killed by predators or die because of disease. If you had a chance to turn into one of these animals, which one would it be and why? Do you think that more long-living species would be in danger due to humanity's massive impact on the planet? Every opinion matters, so let us know yours in the comments below.